In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on Gmail. Now, if you are new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys. Now, for you to turn dark mode on Gmail, first of all, you need to open your Gmail app. Then, if you tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, then you go to manage your Google account. Then if you swipe on your left, you are not going to see any option for you to turn dark mode. So in order for you to turn dark mode, you need to go back and then go to phone settings. Then scroll down, then tap on display and brightness. Then tap on dark mode. Then if you now close this one, then go back to your Gmail app. You see now the Gmail has been turned to dark mode. So that's it, guys. That's how to turn dark mode on Gmail. Now, if you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and also to like the video. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.